Hey there! So I'm going to be explaining how I came up with the design of my maternity dress. So back in February of 2019, I started looking at some dresses and I fell in love with one, but not with the price tag. So I decided, you know what, I can make my own version of the dress and probably spend like maybe $25. So I already knew I wanted kind of like that mermaid style dress. So this is what I designed right here. And I've never made this style of dress before, so I knew it was going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I was up for it. And with the sleeves in the top, I wanted something like this with like ruffles right here. Pretty nice. I still hadn't decided like what color I wanted, but then I settled with white. I wanted to make some angel wings, but then I was like, oh gosh, like I need to stop. I need to not be too extra. But definitely I made my flower crown. And then I made a list of what I would need. So that's my little design right there. So let's get this video started. So I didn't have a dress pattern to follow. I ended up trying on a couple of dresses, and this is the dress that still fit me. So I just followed the dress pattern and cut out the lining fabric and the outside fabric, and it looks pretty good. So right here I am just sewing the front and back fabric pieces together. I am sewing the right sides together. I'm using a what's it called? A zigzag stitch because the fabric does stretch. And of course I needed to stretch because this belly is just growing so fast. So now I am zigzag stitching the lining fabric, and the lining fabric is actually made out of the same material as the rest of the dress because I needed to stretch. And the reason is because I started this dress back in February and my maternity shoot wasn't going to be until May. So right here I'm just gathering the fabric. I made 2 basting stitches and I'm gathering it so it'll have that ruffly look on the bodice part. And way to stay in frame, girl. So this is what it looks like after I pinned it. Now I'm working on the bottom part of the dress. I have 40 yards worth of tulle and I'm going to be gathering all of that tulle so I can make the little poofy, I guess, mermaid tail of the dress. This took forever, but it was so worth it at the end. So here I am gathering all of that tulle because I need a lot of volume. So I'm just adding some straps for some extra security now. I asked my husband if he could help me turn the straps inside out because they were so skinny, and this is his method of trying to turn the straps. It did not work. I ended up having to do it.